All right, first we look at our oil cap and it'll tell you what type of oil you need, which is 5W30, 5W30. And we'll take this off. Next, locate your oil drainage. Make sure to put an oil pan directly below, as well as you can see which way it'll shoot out. Try to yank it out quick. You can see that oil is pretty dark. All right, once you've drained all the oil, you get your oil filter removal tool. This is specifically for the Ford Mustang. This is our new filter, and we take our filter cap, place it just like so, and then we will be able to use this tool because it's up in the engine, which we'll. This tool, however, will only be used for removal of the filter unit, not installation. Once you've drained the majority of your oil, after you've completely replaced and retorqued the bolt, it's always a good idea to wipe off the area and make it clean. I will. You need to make sure that your catch pan is right under, that's your filter, right under to catch any excess that's still up in the filter. Now, we take our ratchet with our tool extension on it, get on the bottom of this, slowly work it off. Next, verify that your new filter and your old filter are the same. Installing your new filter, dip your finger in some of the old oil and place it around the O-ring of the new filter to lubricate. Spin it up on. Spin it up into place, and you do not use a tool now. You just get it as tight with your hand as possible. Lastly, we take our motor oil, and then pour your old oil back into your new oils container. And you can see how dark that is because it's bad oil. It's time to check our oil. Wipe it. Put it back in. Then we can see if it'll focus. Right where we want it, right at that second dot. That's perfect.